Hello and welcome to this video on ways to make money online in China. In today's digital age, there are endless opportunities to earn income from the comfort of your own home. There are many options out there, and in this video, we'll explore several of them. Let's start making some money. Method number 1, Amazon. One popular method is through online marketplaces like Amazon. Amazon FBA, or Fulfillment by Amazon, allows you to sell your own products on the Amazon platform. You ship your products to Amazon's fulfillment center. Amazon handles the rest, from storage and shipping to customer service. This is a great option if you have a product to sell and want to leverage the power of Amazon's customer base. Method number 2, affiliate marketing. This is our favorite way to make money online in China. As an affiliate marketer, you earn commissions by promoting other people's products or services. You can do this by setting up a website, blog, YouTube, TikTok, or any other source that attracts traffic. You then use your content to redirect people to affiliate links. When someone clicks on one of your links and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. The big advantage of affiliate marketing is that you don't have to stock or deliver products, and you don't have to deal with customers. You focus only on marketing the product. If you would like to learn how you can make money as an affiliate marketer, then check out the top link in the description. It will also be the link in the pinned comment. Method number 3, freelancing. If you have a particular skill or expertise, you can offer your services as a freelancer. This can be anything from writing and editing to graphic design or programming. There are many online platforms where you can find freelance work, such as Upwork and Freelancer. Method number 4, blogging. If you enjoy writing and have a particular topic or niche that you're passionate about, you can start a blog and monetize it through advertising, sponsored content, and affiliate marketing. Medium.com is a simple website that you can begin blogging on today. Method number 5, YouTube. If you have a talent for creating videos, you can start a YouTube channel. You can monetize it through ads, sponsorship, and merchandise. You can even create a mostly automated YouTube channel like this one, and make money with it through affiliate marketing. You can learn more about this process through the top link in the description. Method number 6, transcribing. If you have excellent listening and typing skills, you can work as a transcriber, turning audio or video recordings into written documents. You can do this using websites like transcribers and Red.com. Method number 7, paid surveys. You can also make money online in China by participating in paid surveys. There are many companies that offer paid surveys as a way to gather consumer opinions and insights. Just Google search paid surveys and the top results for your area will return. Method number 8, dropshipping. This is a business model where you sell products online without actually using any inventory. Instead, you partner with a supplier who handles the manufacturing and shipping of the product. You only pay for the product when a customer orders it, and you get to keep the difference between the wholesale price and the retail price of the product. Method number 9, print on demand. Our next option is print on demand. This is when you design a product, such as a t-shirt or mug, and a third-party company uses printing and fulfillment when order is placed. This is a great way to test out products without having to invest in bulk inventory upfront. The website Redbubble is one of the best places to get started with print on demand. Method number 10, Facebook and Google Ads. Facebook and Google Ads can also be used to drive traffic and sales to your online store or product listing. By creating targeted ad campaigns, you can reach potential customers and increase your sales. Just make sure you have a good product to sell and invest in a decent ad training course. Generally, the easiest products to start selling are affiliate products. Method number 11, Etsy. Etsy is a popular marketplace for handmade or unique goods. If you have a knack for creating handmade items, this platform can be a great way to sell your products to a wide audience. Just create your account on Etsy, and if your product is unique enough, it has a good chance of being successful. Okay, let's look at some other great examples of the many ways you can make money online in China. Method number 12, TikTok influencer. TikTok has become a popular platform for people to share their talents and ideas with a large audience. If you have a unique talent or a passion for creating content, you can become a TikTok influencer and earn money through sponsorships, brand collaborations, and merchandise sales. Method number 13, social posting. If you have a large following on social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter, you can make money by posting sponsored content for brands. Many brands are willing to pay influencers to promote their products or services to their followers. Method number 14, Udemy. If you have a skill or expertise in a particular subject, you can create and sell online courses on Udemy. Udemy is a popular platform for people to learn new skills, and you can earn money by creating and selling your own courses. You just create the course and Udemy does everything else for you. Some of the top producers on Udemy make millions of dollars per year. Method number 15, Instagram influencer. Similar to TikTok and social posting, Instagram is a great platform for influencers to share content and connect with their followers. You can make money by partnering with brands and promoting their products or services through sponsored posts or Instagram stories. Method number 16, ClickBank. ClickBank is an online platform that allows you to promote and sell digital products. If you have a product or service that you'd like to sell online, you can use ClickBank to reach a wider audience and make money through commissions. Method number 17, online coaching. If you have a passion for helping others and have expertise in a particular area, you can offer online coaching services and make money by helping people reach their goals. This can be done through one-on-one coaching sessions or group coaching programs. These are just a few examples of the many ways you can make money online. Whether you have a particular skill or expertise, or you're just looking for a way to earn some extra cash on the side, there's likely an option that will suit your needs.